welcome back. See that? Welcome back to another Supercar Club event, and the usual location is the Dubai Autodrome. Dubai Autodrome has pretty much become like the place for the car meetups because it's just the perfect location. You have all the cars parked there, and then behind is the main track where they go on the track and go for a lap. Now, too many cars and they are all going on the track today. I am also going on the track again, and to do a quick walk, we'll do just see all the cars out here, and then after that I'm gonna do a lap. There you go, Porsches, Mercedes, McLaren MP4-12C. Then what do we have here? A Ferrari 599 GTO. Then a Porsche, sorry for that loud exhaust. Oh, you may oh, 430, Ferrari 430 by ARM Motors. Then Lotus Exige, another Lotus, Porsche, all of them in action. Look at this Lotus. I don't know the name of this one, but pretty cool. It's an open top. Here's another Lotus. Then Huracan Performante, a Porsche GT3. Now a Huracan Performante, McLaren 720S. If you watch my previous videos, you would know this car, and even the one in the background, the Corvette Z06, I'm sorry. Yeah, look at this one, a 918 Spider. What a color. Amazing. I can hear the sound of all the engines right now, and it is insane. We have this Corvette. If you watch my previous videos, I'm gonna let him finish. If you watch my previous videos on this, we've done a track day in this very same car. It's by Mr. Fariz. He's the owner of that car. Yeah, so he's going on the track right now for a lap. Make sure to click on the previous videos where we've gone in that same car on the track, and also a lot of cars must be familiar because we've seen them in other videos, but all in all it seems to be an amazing day. Special mention about this Nissan GTR. Look at how low it is. Look how low it sits. It was actually sitting a little more lower than this also. Probably this has a height adjustment system, adjusting maybe an air suspension or something, but it's got full-fledged body kits. It is going on the track. It's been thoroughly modified. Look at the rims. And another 918 Spider. This is actually from the J&KD collection. As you can see, cars are going in and out on the track, and it's time for me to go on the track as well. See you on the onboard lap. That was it for the day. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have had fun on the track. Give it a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and make sure to share and subscribe for more videos to come. Some amazing content is going to come in future, so make sure you press the bell icon and do not miss the notification. Anyways, until we meet next time, bye bye.